Hello everyone, what's up? This is Avaranjan. One very important video for you. How to do branding on LinkedIn with ChatGPT. This I'm going to cover in this video. So you can see this is my LinkedIn account. I have more than 12,000 and reaching to 13,000 follower on LinkedIn. And I used to utilize ChatGPT for very good reason in creating content on LinkedIn. So now I'm going to share the complete process that how you can also create content through LinkedIn and stand out over the LinkedIn and make a good profile. So let's jump into the chat GPT. You can see that today I want to write an article on LinkedIn. Article writing on LinkedIn is a very good thing, and you are going to be recognized by some good people over the LinkedIn, and you are going to be get opportunity on the basis of that. So what I have started, I have just given a prompt to ChatGPT. What is the best way to start career in digital marketing? He has written a complete, content over this, which I need to post there. And after this, I have also made him a request that create image for also. So he has created an AI image, and after that, I also mentioned him that create a short LinkedIn post based on above, and he has also created the same. So this is a journey that how I utilize, and everything is available to me now. Now what I need to go, I just gone with the chat gpt article part, and there you can see that I have written a complete article utilizing those images, those content. You can see this complete images and content is done. And you can see that I have also posted this on my personal LinkedIn profile. This you can see that I have posted including all this thing. So this is the action that you need to make while doing chat gpt process. And very simple, very good process you can utilize by in a day and make a one LinkedIn article or LinkedIn post by using chat gpt. So this is the thing that you can utilize. And I used to bring such video on my YouTube channel regularly. So keep updated, and please do subscribe the channel if you are finding something knowledgeable. Thank you for watching.